chapter is much more easier, as you can see that in this they told about that we have to prove for similarities of figure. We not have to prove about congruency. So how we will do this similarity? So as we are referring our textbook, page number 118, here we can see some similar figures. In that, as we can see that these three are circles, but in that, as we can see that one is too small, another one is little bit larger, and the last one is too large. As we can see over here, squares are also there, and here some triangles are also there. So what similarity we can see over here is that this one is circle with different radius, and this one is square which having equal angle. In three of them, angles are same. As we can see, it is square, so angle will be 90 degree. Only the sides will be different. As we can see over here, three triangles are there. One is little bit large, one is too small, and this one is very large. But what we can see over here is that three of them having same angle. So you will ask that what difference between them? So I will tell you that only they having different sides. One is little bit larger, one is little bit smaller, but they having same angles. So now you will ask about this figure, figure 6.2. So you will ask that what kind of different thing we can see. So one is quadrilateral ABCD and one is quadrilateral PQRS. As we can see over here again, angles are same but sides are different. The size of sides is different. So here we can say that all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not to be congruent. This line is very important because here we can see that जो चीज़ कॉन्ग्रुएंट है वो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल सेम है, वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैपिंग करती है, उसका कोई पार्ट एक्स्ट्रा बचता नहीं है. बट कोई फिगर सिमिलर है मीन्स दे हैविंग रेशियो एज सेम, बट व्हेन वी आर इम्पोजिंग फिगर ऑन one another, we can see some part is larger and some part is smaller. So that is the difference between congruent and similar. So here we will see some more example. As we can see, the Taj Mahal is same. So what kind of difference we can see over here? So one figure, if we are imposing on another, some extra part will remain. Taj Mahal is same, photograph is same, but what we can see, one photograph is smaller and another is a little bit larger. So here some activities are given to impose the figure on another. So in that, main important part for us is that if we are taking this as quadrilateral, one is quadrilateral ABCD and one is quadrilateral A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So when we are imposing, so what we can see, A dash is corresponding to A and B dash is corresponding to B, C dash is corresponding to C and D dash is corresponding to D. Means we have to impose like that. Where is A dash will be there, there is B dash will be there, where is C dash will be there, and there is D, or at below that D dash should be there. But what important thing we want to tell is that angle A and angle A dash both are same. Suppose it is 35, so A dash also will be 35. Like that, B and B dash will be same, angle C and C dash will be same, angle D and D dash is also same. But here the important thing they have given, angles are same but sides are different. Here suppose AB is 3 centimeter, but A dash B dash is not 3 centimeter. But what they trying to say? Their ratio is same. AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BC upon B dash C dash is equals to CD upon C dash D dash and is equals to DA upon D dash A dash. Now here I would like to tell you in detail. Here are two conditions which we have to keep in mind. Here they said that this again emphasizes that two polygons of same numbers of side are similar. We are not talking about congruency. We are talking about similarity. If we want to prove that two triangle or two quadrilateral or two any figure like circle are similar, then what we have to remember? So here they talk about polygons. तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन दे gave us all the corresponding angles are equal. फर्स्ट कंडीशन ये होनी चाहिए कि सारे एंगल्स जो एक दूसरे पे इम्पोज हो रहे हैं वो इक्वल होने चाहिए. बट सेकेंड कंडीशन दे gave us all the corresponding sides are in a same ratio. They not told us that their sides should be same. If sides are same, then that is congruency. Means here we cannot write in the form of ratio. We will directly write AB is equals to A dash B dash. But here if we are talking about similarity, then we will say that their ratio is same.